What if I told you there's a financial secret that could set you up for life, and the earlier you start, the more powerful it becomes? Hi, I'm Barry Brooksby, infinite banking expert, pro client guide, and coach here at Insurance and Estates. And I'm about to reveal how young adults are securing their financial futures using a strategy most people don't discover until it's too late. Are you in your 20s or 30s and feeling overwhelmed by financial pressures? Struggling to balance paying off student loans, saving for a home, and planning for retirement? Worried about the volatility of the stock market and the uncertainty of Social Security? Feeling like you're always playing catch up with your finances? Let me introduce you to the power of starting a cash value life insurance policy at a young age. This isn't just about life insurance. It's about creating a financial foundation that grows with you. Tax-free growth. You can watch your money compound over the decades without the burden of taxes. Guaranteed returns. Unlike the stock market, your cash value has a guaranteed growth rate. Access to cash. Use your policy as a personal bank, borrowing against it for major life expenses. Protection from creditors. In many states, your cash value is protected from lawsuits and bankruptcy. Death benefit. Provide financial security for your loved ones even as you're building wealth. And think about these benefits. Peace of mind. Sleep easy knowing you have a financial safety net. Freedom. Pursue your dreams without being held back by financial insecurity. Confidence. Make life decisions from a position of financial strength. Legacy. Create generational wealth to pass on to your children and grandchildren. Control. Take control of your financial future instead of leaving it to chance. The power of starting young means you can have lower premiums. You lock in these lower rates and you will save thousands of dollars over your lifetime. And you have more time for growth. You can harness the power of compound interest over decades. Flexibility. As your policy grows, so do your options for using it. And you're building good habits. Start your journey to financial literacy and discipline early. I'm going to walk you through two high cash value illustrations. You're going to see numbers on a 30-year-old, and he's going to grow money over a 30-year time frame that's guaranteed, liquid, and he can use it 100% tax-free. In our first example, he's putting $1,000 a month or $12,000 a year into a high cash value policy. We want to focus on the total cash value, and you'll notice every year that cash value is getting larger and he has access to the money. This policy is being funded through the age of 60, and at age 61, there's no more premium going into the policy. But even after the premiums stop, notice the cash value, it still continues to grow. Not only is he earning a guaranteed return, he's also earning an annual dividend. And that dividend gets reinvested back into the policy's cash value, which is also compounding over time. He could choose at any point to take income. Remember, this is a policy that he can use throughout his life, and it's also a tax-free retirement plan. But what if he wants to get a little more aggressive? In our second example, we're showing him funding $24,000 a year or $2,000 a month. Total net cash value is the column that we're focused on. We see the growth here. And in this example, we're going to look at the income. But before we do, I want you to notice that the first year death benefit is $760,000. However, he only paid for $346,000 of whole life insurance. This policy is a blended policy, whole life and term insurance. We never see the term insurance drop off. The death benefit only grows over time, which you see here in this column. So although he's only paid for $346,000 of whole life coverage, notice he's getting much more. This policy is also being funded through the age of 60, and at the age of 61, there's no more premium he's putting into the policy. He's going to let the cash value grow for a few years. And at the age of 65, he's going to begin taking income out of the policy at $120,000 per year. This is tax-free retirement income. And because he started early, he's able to pull a lot of cash out of the policy because of the compound interest growth. Remember, building wealth early enables you to have much more cash 10, 20, 30 years from now because of compound interest. As we saw from age 65 to age 88, he's taking out $120,000 a year as tax-free income. He put $24,000 a year into the policy over a 30-year time frame, which equates to $720,000. And he's able to take out $120,000 for a total of 24 years, $2.88 million completely tax-free. And if he passes away at the age of 88, he's still able to leave his family a tax-free death benefit of $857,000. So to recap, $720,000 went in. He takes out $2,880,000 of tax-free income, and he can leave his family an $857,000 tax-free death benefit. That's over $3,737,000 in tax-free money. The benefits, the income, the legacy, it's all remarkable. And there's a lot of social proof out there. One of my clients, Christian, said, Barry has been my go-to insurance agent and wealth coach for 9 months. He helped me set up my premium life insurance, demonstrating his expertise. His knowledge of infinite banking and high cash value whole life insurance sets him apart. I highly recommend Barry for anyone seeking a wealth coach. That's Christian, age 28. And this is from Charlie, age 32. My family and I found an amazing house we wanted to buy. We took a $30,000 policy loan against my cash value policy that Barry helped me get. I'm still earning interest and dividends on my total cash value even though I have a loan. The house we bought has a massive backyard for my boys to run around in and create amazing memories. Barry, thanks for doing what you do. Not only client social proof, but banks, major corporations, and wealthy people have used this strategy for decades. Now, you might be thinking, you know what? I can't afford it right now. But look, even small contributions can grow significantly over time. Or maybe you've heard, isn't this just for rich people? No, it's a tool for anyone who wants to build wealth strategically. And maybe you're thinking about investing in stocks instead. And look, some people do. These policies are about creating a stable financial base, not replacing all of your investments. Your policy becomes your personal banking system. I personally invest in both stocks and real estate, but I also own multiple high cash value whole life policies. I don't feel pressured to invest because I know I have a solid foundation in my policies that provide guaranteed returns. Don't wait another day to secure your financial future. Schedule a free consultation with me, Barry Brooksby, to see how a cash value policy can work for you. I'll show you personalized projections of how your wealth could grow over time. The sooner you start, the more powerful this strategy becomes. Every day you wait is a day of potential growth lasts forever. Take control of your financial future now, before life gets even more complicated. Imagine yourself 10, 20, 30 years from now, financially secure and able to live life on your own terms. That future starts with the decision you make today. Click the button below to schedule your free consultation and take the first step towards true financial freedom.